The Greater Noida Police has stepped up security in the city in the backdrop of racial attacks on African nationals that rattled Greater Noida. ShardaUniversity also stepped up in support of its Nigerian students and ensured their security. There are a large number of students from Africa and other nations in ShardaUniversity's Greater Noida campus. After the racial attack in Greater Noida, the tension in the area was heated up, and so to ensure the safety of their Nigerian students, the ShardaUniversity put measures in place ensuring safety and concern for all students. The campus authorities have stated that it is their major concern to make the students feel at home and feel secure, especially the ones who are away from the country.
I would not have known of anything happening outside, but after the event we had much security.
Like they are giving a bus this Friday which take us to the masjid, and they have provided police to accompany us.
And a quick break on that note. Thanks for watching the News Hub. Good night.